Hello dear, welcome back to my kitchen with me, Monica, showing you how I make my own self-rising flour. I'm excited about it and I'm trying to make easy pancakes for breakfast. Let's get started. For 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. It depends on how strong your baking powder is. You can probably try 2 teaspoons if you think it is not strong enough, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. But I like to sift my flour and baking powder to make sure they are combined evenly. Also, I always find the baking powder sometimes clamped together. That's why I need a sifter to filter it and loosen the clamps. Here it is, my homemade self-rising flour. I'll share in my next cooking video how I make pancake batter with it. Stay tuned. Please hit subscribe button if you have not done it. Switch on the bell for notification. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to also give me a like and comment down below. I'll catch you in my next cooking video. Thanks again. Goodbye.